Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Web Coding. My name is Durgesh Sahani and today we are starting a new full stack series. In this series, we are going to build an e-commerce admin panel using Laravel, React and MySQL. But this is not just a simple CRUD tutorial. The goal is to understand how real full stack applications work, from front-end to back-end to database. If you already know basic PHP, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and now you want to upgrade yourself into modern full stack development, this series is for you. Let us first understand what we are building. We will build an e-commerce admin panel. Inside this admin panel, we will have login, dashboard, categories, products, image upload, search, pagination, and protected admin routes. The backend will be built with Laravel as a REST API. The frontend will be built with React as a single page application. The database will be MySQL. Now, before we start coding, I want you to understand the most important idea of this complete series. Here is the complete flow. Browser sends request, React handles the UI, Laravel API handles the business logic, MySQL stores the data, Laravel sends JSON back, React updates the screen. This one flow is the heart of the full stack application we are going to build. So when the admin opens the products page, React will show the page. React will call the Laravel API. Laravel will fetch products from MySQL. Laravel will return product data as JSON. Then React will display that data inside the table. When the admin creates a product, React will collect the form data, Laravel will validate it, MySQL will store it, Laravel will send a response, React will update the UI. This is how modern front-end and back-end applications work together. Now let us talk about the tools. Laravel will be responsible for routing, API controllers, validation, authentication, database queries, and business logic. React will be responsible for the user interface, forms, tables, navigation, loading states, error messages, and protected admin pages. MySQL will store our real data like users, categories, products, and product images. In this YouTube series, we will keep the project focused. We will build the foundation properly. We will create the Laravel API. We will connect MySQL. We will create migrations and models. We will build category APIs and product APIs. We will add image upload. We will add authentication with Laravel Sanctum. Then we will create the React admin panel and connect everything together. By the end of this series, you will have a working e-commerce admin panel foundation. You will not only watch theory, you will build a real full stack project. Now, who is this series for? This series is for students, PHP beginners, freelancers, and job seekers. You do not need advanced Laravel knowledge. You do not need advanced React knowledge. You do not need previous REST API experience. But you should know basic PHP, basic HTML and CSS, and basic JavaScript. If you know how forms work and you have some basic idea of databases, that will help. The most important thing is that you should follow the series step by step. Do not only copy the code, try to understand the flow. Whenever we build a feature, ask yourself, what is React doing? What is Laravel doing? What is MySQL doing? What JSON is coming back? That thinking will make you a better full stack developer. So this is the plan for this series. In the next video, we will start with the Laravel backend. We will create a fresh Laravel project, connect it with MySQL, create our first API route, and test the JSON response. After that, we will slowly build the database, APIs, authentication, and then the React admin panel. So that is all for this introduction video. In the next video, we start building the Laravel API. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.